Every year, India celebrates Diwali, one of the most vibrant festivals with great zeal. Lights, colors, rituals and traditions that brings families and the loved ones together. But over the years, amid celebrations, one question has often arisen. Can practices that harm environment be justified in the name of religion? Well, former Supreme Court Judge Justice Abhay Oka has a clear opinion. He doesn't think so. He says religious freedom cannot include right to pollute. Speaking at lecture organized by Supreme Court Bar Association, Justice Oka said, and I quote, "Religious practices that cause pollution or environmental harm cannot claim protection under Article 25 of the Constitution." He was referring to activities like bursting firecrackers or rituals that pollute waters, often justified as part of faith. Justice Oka made it clear such acts cannot be shielded by religious freedom. Neither religion nor popular sentiment can justify actions that endanger public health or environment, he said. The former Supreme Court judge reminded citizens that freedom of religion under Article 25 must align with fundamental duty to protect the environment, saying we owe a right to ensure that everyone enjoys the right to life under Article 21. Justice Oka urged courts to stay firm while dealing with matters concerning the environment and should not be influenced by religious or popular sentiments. Justice Oka also expressed serious concerns about recent amendments to key environmental laws, the Environment Protection Act, the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act, and Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. He pointed out that criminal penalties for violations have now been removed. This, he warned, weakens accountability and makes it easier for violators to get away. In his address, Justice Oka also reminded everyone that environmental protection is not a Western idea, instead, a deeply rooted Indian tradition. Our philosophers and religious teachers have always taught us to respect nature. We don't need to go to international conventions. It's already a part of our culture. But somewhere along the way, he said we have forgotten those values. Now, speaking about challenges faced by environmental activists and even by the judges, he underlined that very few citizens have the courage to bring environmental issues to court, and those who do are often targeted. Even judges who issue strong environmental orders, he noted, are often criticized. Redefining the idea of development, Justice Oka said it should improve quality of life, not destroy nature. Real development means affordable housing, transport, education and healthcare for common man, and not projects that make our cities unlivable, said Justice Oka. He further criticized the notion that environmental protection hinders growth, saying such claims misunderstand the constitutional vision of the progress. Well, what are your thoughts about the story? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more explainers like this on law, environment and justice. Thanks for watching The Edge.